224, 100, 300.
Hi, Alan Jones, North Island Wool Manager for PGG Wrightson's Napier. Today was our last sale for 2020 year, and we offered on behalf of the North Island 5,200 bales, and of the offering we passed 5%. PGG Wrightson's offered 2,300 bales, and we also passed 5%. The market today could be quoted as being going slightly sideways because our really good colour wools, VM free, shears and fleece sold extremely well, and in some cases the shears were 1 or 2 cents clean better than our last sale. Once we moved down to the B grades, they eased back on our last sale slightly, but once we got into the poorer type of wools, the BCs and some of the C grades that are around, they've been affected the most, and they would have dropped by probably 5 to 10% in some cases. And a lot of this is caused by not big demand overseas at the moment for any poorer type of wools. Hard to find a home for those. And we heard that there has been some sold for in January, February delivery, but the prices that we're going to be receiving for these types of wools won't be very flash, round about that 135 to 145 clean for those real poorer types. Any lambs we had on offer today, these were new season's lambs that came on board. They were very disappointing. Our 27 micron ones were selling for around about the 305 clean. Once you got into 28 micron ones, they came back to 280 to 285 clean. 29 microns, a jump down again to around that 260, 255 clean. And then once you got above 30 microns, these were struggling to get to $2 clean. This is a vast difference than what we were getting last year at this time, which is disappointing for anybody who's shearing lambs at the moment, because the cost and that won't be covering what we get for the wool. Hopefully in the new year that we see some little bit of light in the tunnel, and these types might move up and we get a little bit more money for them. But overall, a reasonable clearance, and as I say, the types of wools starting to come forward now are retaining a lot of colour, VM, and the preparation is not the best on them, so these will be hard to move once we get into January selling period. The New Zealand dollar today was sitting at 70.8. At our last sale it was sitting at 70.13. Our indicator last sale was 171. This sale is back to 178, and that is the same as what it was 2 weeks ago at 178. And this would be attributed to the few lambs we sold today, and mainly the good colour shears and that were holding their own or just slightly better than what we were getting last sale. So the indicator is showing signs of slight improvement there, but as we get more poorer colour wools coming on board, it'll be hard to retain at that level. Wish you all the best for the festive season. It would be good to get 2020 behind us. 2021 we hope is going to be a better year for everybody. So we have our first sale on the 7th of January 2021. So we'll look forward to see what the market is going to do in the new year. Thank you.